Welcome back to 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to share 5 WhatsApp tricks which every user must know. So let's begin the video. The first one is undo delete for me. Ever meant to delete a message for everyone, but deleted it just for you? Well, now you can undo it. Yep, deleting never felt so good. You can simply follow this trick and undo deleted for me messages in your chat. The second trick is about sending one-time voice messages. One-time pictures and videos were already familiar to everyone, but a new one-time voice note feature is added to WhatsApp to make it more secure. You can simply follow this trick to send one-time voice notes in your WhatsApp. Pinning messages is used for reminders, and now WhatsApp also added this feature to WhatsApp. You can tap and hold the message and then select Pin. The message will be pinned at the top of chat. Using 2 accounts in a single WhatsApp application is also a cool feature which WhatsApp added to it. Tally, now you can use 2 accounts in one WhatsApp by going to Dual Accounts section. The trick is about protect backed up messages with end-to-end encryption. Your personal messages already have end-to-end encryption protection, and now that can extend to backed up messages. Just turn on encrypted backups and set a password or get a 64-digit encryption key. To do this, you have to go to Settings, then Chats, here tap on Chat Backup, and then at the end tap on End-to-End Encryption Backup. When you turn on this, your end-to-end encryption of messages start. So these are some WhatsApp tricks which user must know. That's it for the video so far. I hope you like it. Do subscribe for more videos.